Hello there, this is Rich and welcome to my channel. Elon Musk, the second world richest man. Elon Musk promised in May 2020 that he would sell almost all his assets, an ambitious goal for a man with $130 million in real estate. But he's almost there, with only about $35 million left to sell. But first, who is Elon Musk? Elon Musk is a South African-born American industrial engineer, entrepreneur, who co-founded PayPal and founded aerospace transportation services company SpaceX. He is also one of the early investors in Tesla, an electric car company, and now the chief executive officer of the firm as well. Elon Musk has soared to the second-place spot on Forbes's 35th annual billionaire list for 2021. Musk had the largest dollar gain on this year's list, according to Forbes. With a fortune of $151 billion, a $126.4 billion increase compared to $24.6 billion last year, when the Tesla and SpaceX executive ranked at number 31. However, Musk still trails behind Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, who stands as the world's richest person for the fourth consecutive year, ranking in a worth of $177 billion in 2021. Up $64 billion from a year ago, as a result of surging Amazon shares. And now back to Elon Musk planning to own no house. Most of his sales have made slim profit margins compared to what he originally bought them for, but a few slam dunk sales have brought his property profits to about $19.5 million. The Tesla, SpaceX and Boring Company founder announced yesterday that he would create the city of Starbase in Texas, the same day that Texas Governor Greg Abbott announced Texas would lift mask mandates and reopen businesses at 100% capacity. In the month of February alone, he made headlines for his Dogecoin commentary, for briefly passing Jeff Bezos as the world's wealthiest man and for offering a $100 million reward for the best carbon capture technology. He sold off $62 million in real estate in December. Here are some of the houses Elon Musk sold. Egret-topped house with industrial compound sold, $29.7 million. Colonial house on Samara Road sold, $6.8 million. Samara Road 60s house sold, $4.4 million. Musk sold $36 million in mid-2020. Luxury mansion on Shalone Road sold, $29 million. Willy Wonka house on Shalone Road sold, $7.2 million. In 2019 he sold a modern home in Brentwood for $4 million. Well, that's only some of the house Elon Musk sold. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Once again, my name is Rich. See you again on the next video.